Goes to finals, finals goes to worlds. All four robots back to working, and we got a tug of war happening over the mobile goal, and that's a cross on the blue robot. That means that red's going to take this autonomous bonus. That was competitive. Unfortunate.
Okay, I have to check.
Oh, they did get pulled across.
Yeah, so I need to double check to make sure to see whether.
Okay, so we have a rulings question here. The blue robot got pulled across the line, and one of the rules says that you can't force an opponent into a penalty, but another rule restricts the protection for touching the middle goal. So we're going to check the rules and see what they actually say. Oh, there is. Okay, we're gonna. Is that one of your? It's one of their robots. It stays as is. So we got some teams calling things out. Yeah, that happens when driver starts during game. Okay, so we got a ring out of the field, and then we got some chain on the field. And what happens is that the ring is going to go back in driver, and the chain stays there. It's part of the robot, so we don't reach in and change the game.
Just so you know, because the two robots are interacting with the same object, and that is the interaction that caused blue to cross the line, it does not automatically lose them autonomous. However, red actually has more points in autonomous, so red will take it anyway.
Okay, so the determination from the head referee is that because both robots were interacting with the same object, they're not disqualified for crossing the line. Instead, red had more points than blue. They still get the autonomous bonus. All right, into driver now. And what we see is 886Y guarding two mobile goals, hoping that their allies can load up some red rings onto a mobile goal and use that, and then they're probably going to go for a swap maneuver. That's going to be a little bit tricky with the possession limitations, but this is two very experienced teams. They will be able to figure it out. We see blue playing some interference here, and we see the red robot going to score 886Y. And now 1010W is going to have to figure out how to manipulate these mobile goals. That'll do it. 886Y playing blocking roles, and there we go. All right, we see here blue also has 5 rings in a corner, but it's got a red ring on that mobile goal as well. So that's going to be a little bit of an unfortunate benefit for red. They can make up for it in other places, though, so we'll see how they do with that. Leaving a mobile goal unprotected, red goes to get some red rings onto their own mobile goal. And we already see the fight over the high stake going on with red taking the top ring over it. And blue winning back the other top ring. And red is going for it again, and that is almost scored. 30 seconds. Corners are protected. Positive corners are protected, yes. All right, we see red going for more wall stake scoring. We see blue playing heavy defense here, not letting them get anywhere near that. That's a fair few parts on the field. Hopefully those weren't important. As the robots go for the hang, 3 robots attempting a hang.